All right, we're gonna get to know Marge a little bit. I didn't tell. Oh, we're gonna get to know. Hi. Hey, we're gonna get to know Marge and Josh just a little bit. Margie's been with us for about a year. She's been awesome. We trained. She's been trained up from just a newbie and has been killing it all the way along. She is the assistant here at Cartridge Brewery. She's our assistant brewer, and she's awesome. So I have a list of 3 questions that I'm about to make up and ask you. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Question number 1. If Josh were a sandwich, what sandwich would he be?
Josh would be a Reuben because he loves those complex flavors that come with a Reuben. He also likes artisanal bread, and he would make his own bread for the Reuben. And he loves a nice Thousand Island dressing. And if he were to make that sandwich, I think he would also want to turn it into a pizza because that's his favorite food.
Interesting. Josh, great coworker or greatest coworker?
I would definitely say greatest coworker. Considering you're my boss, then Josh is the greatest coworker.
All right, sounds good. Young Brewdeck in the house. Young Brewdeck, young Brewdeck. Okay, so this is Josh. He's our cellarman here at Cartridge. I'm really excited to talk to him today. So Josh is really it's just the 3 of us back here. And Maggie and I have kind of fallen into the role. Hold on. Maggie and I have kind of fallen into the role of each one of us trying to just make Josh laugh. We just want a response from Josh. He's like, for us, like potentially the dismissive father that we want to impress. This is Josh. So Maggie and I, we just run around and try to say more and more ridiculous things to pull a reaction out of Josh. Traditionally, what we get is we get the head tilted slightly down, the lips pursed, and the head shake. So, Josh, I'm going to ask you what I asked Maggie.
Yeah.
If Maggie was a sandwich, what kind of sandwich would she be?
Well, Maggie would be a wrap, first of all.
Oh, she would be a
She
wrap.
wouldn't be a sandwich. She would be a turkey and brie with fig jam wrap.
That's a really good answer, and it's really specific. Maggie was an out-of-style fashion trend. What would she be?
I was thinking about bell bottoms.
Okay, I could see Maggie being, even though you could potentially make the argument that they never go out of style, but I hear you. If those are all the questions I have. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you feel as if you got any value out of the video, please like and subscribe. There are also other videos that you can watch. They're gonna maybe be over here or over here. Appreciate you watching.